This video will explain to you how to best use a question matrix. A question matrix is more of a questioning tool than a technique. However, using one will help less able students formulate questions and participate actively in class. The actual question matrix itself is made up of 6 rows and 6 columns, which explain to you what questions to ask and when to ask them. The question matrix can be used to help students, especially those of lower ability, to formulate questions in any questioning task you set. Additionally, it can be used as a question starter for teachers to elicit further information about a student's knowledge and understanding of a topic. As you move along the y-axis, the questions become more complex and open-ended. We start in the present tense, the here and now. Then we move to the past. Next is the possibility of an occurrence. We then move on to the probability of something happening. After that, we begin to make predictions. And finally, we are asked to use our imagination. The x-axis provides the stems that we will use to help generate questions. Event questions ask what is, what did, what can, what would, what will, and what might. Situation questions ask where and when. Where is, when is. Where did, when did. Where can, when can. Where would, when would. Where will, when will. Where might, when might. Choice questions ask which. Which do, which did, which can, which would, which will, and which might. Person questions ask who. Who is, who did, who can, who would, who will, who might. Reason questions ask why. Why is, why did, why can, why would, why will, and why might. Means questions ask how. How is, how did, how can, how would, how will, and how might. As you move along the x or y axis, the general level of difficulty of questions increases. What is question is normally easier to create an answer than a how might question. This technique teaches students how to ask questions well, an ability that is useful both in and out of the classroom. Good luck with Bash the Question. Cheers!